Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Learn how to enable dark mode on Windows 11, or you can do a custom mode like I'll do in few seconds and you will like it, I'm sure. So just do a right click in the start icon and then go to settings, and at the left hand side we will go to personalization, which is the fifth option. And then we will go to colors, and here we have under choose your mode, change the color that appears in Windows and your apps. So here it is light. I'll simply go to click on dark. The moment I click on dark, everything gets dark. And what I like personally is I go to custom and then choose your default Windows mode. I make it light, and choose your default app mode is dark. Or you can do it vice versa, dark versus light. So in this manner, the taskbar and few things will be in the black and rest of the things will remain like this. So you can see like this I have. And this works good for me. So you can choose your default Windows mode dark and then choose your default app mode light. You can do it vice versa, or you can make it dark according to your convenience. So this is how you can enable dark mode or light mode in Windows 11. If you find this tutorial short, helpful, then please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Take care.